Why did it take me this long to ask this question? It doesn't matter if you have a big surgery coming or not. We should always be asking ourselves, if my life is limited, is this really how I want to be spending it? "19 days to surgery, cleaning out the house. Finally unboxed some of the motorcycle parts for the BMW and did a whole bunch of cleaning. What a fucking mess. In pulling the dresser out to sweep, I'd forgot about this. My buddy from high school, at his bachelor party in Clear Lake, Iowa, he tore this off a restroom somewhere and I took it. 18 days left till surgery. Out walking the dog after my swim. Enjoying the full moon. 17 days until heart surgery. Got my new fucking haircut. 17 days till surgery, and I received the photographs I had enlarged to hang around the house just for nice, calming views of the ocean and the mountains. 16 days till surgery, so I hung the cool sunrise in the mountains photo I took out here in the living room. And in the bedroom, I've got the ocean shots from Lauderdale hanging in here at sunrise, so I can see that when I wake up in the morning during. 15 days till surgery, filed a copyright for Sunshine Among the Clouds book. 15 days till surgery, just made the biggest grocery purchase I ever made. Focused on getting big things so I won't have to carry those while I'm recovering. Things like Boost, a lot of snack stuff, things I wouldn't normally buy. 15 days and today, I'm cleaning out my closet. What a mess. 13 days and I'm making my buddy happy. Here you go, bud. 11 days till surgery, and I am closing up the work computer until surgery, taking some time off to relax. 11 days left, bought a whole bunch of new underwear, so I won't have to do laundry near as soon. 10 days till surgery, and the 1,000 copies of Sunshine Among the Clouds, my third book, just showed up. No cursing, all about positive perspective in life. 19 days until surgery, received the BMW M1000RR Lego kit, so I have something to do during recovery. 10 days left and changing light bulbs so I can still move a ladder around. Days left, getting Barron's car inspected so it's all registered and legal when I get done. 9 days out and received my Porta-John because I know how hard it's going to be to get out of bed to piss after the hospital. I guess there's the soy boy attachment. Down to 8 days before surgery, and I received my copy of Ed Boland's book about his Cannonball Run record, so I have something to read during recovery. With only 8 days till surgery, me and the fuzzy guy took a little vacation. Just up the road to Austin, staying in the Van Zant for a couple days to just relax. 7 days left, letting Barron swim in the 30-some degree water at sunrise. Enjoying a nice hike along Lake Austin, or wherever this is. 6 days left. Barron and I are donating a bag of food to the local San Antonio Humane Society. 5 days left. And I paid next 2 months of bills on auto pay, so I don't have to screw with that for a long time. 5 days left. Took the time to make something that actually looks nice, tastes good, and is healthy. 5 days left. I made my sign for the door while I'm recovering, basically avoiding human contact for as long as I can. 3 days left and I'm officially done cooking. Dishes are all in motion to stay clean. Not making anything more complicated than a protein shake right now. Everything's cleaned out, that'll go bad. Maybe the eggs might be nasty when I get. Barron and I just out for a drive, enjoying the beautiful sunset.
It's the final countdown.
And I'm dropping this guy off at the kennel, and they're being cool enough to bring him home after I get out of the hospital. One day left, bought a little rolly cart to sit by the bed. That'll probably be helpful for putting snacks and whatever else on there while I'm recovering. A little bit surreal writing your own obituary. Hopefully don't need it, but better to be prepared just in case. The last actual drink I had was a Vorstanel Dunkel the day I found out I needed open heart surgery again. Mom wanted me to try holy water before the surgery, so what better glass than an Angel's Envy bourbon? All right, Mom, this is for you, I guess. Cheers.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.